In this video tutorial, we're going to go over a little bit of the slide bar to the left on the POS app. Those are your departments. And so if you watch what's going on, I can hit candy, which will bring up all the items that are associated to that department, or I can scroll up and down and look. I can look at combos, I can look at drinks. And of course, when you go to those items, you also see there one of the items with this icy has a yellow pyramid looking there. That means that you're below the reorder point. And if you look at the Diet Coke, it's lightened button with a stop circle in there, meaning that you're out of stock in those. You can go ahead and sell that in case something's there, but it's allowing you to know that if somebody walks in and says, do you have these in stock? Or, do you need to go ahead and run a report on low inventory stock, because it's showing there what you need to do. So we can go ahead and sell that product. And then we can go down to let's see if we have something in sandwiches, and we can just sell the enchilada, which is a combo. For then it'll ask you if you have a cheese in there and what goes with the drink. And there have, using those sidebars to pull up items. So you could have lunch items, you could have breakfast items, just drinks, however you want to set it up. And all that's done in the back office. And we have videos at PassPort POS channel on YouTube to show you how to set up all of those modifiers, all of those tabs, all those departments. And then also you can see here where we can just take our finger and press on where the modifiers under the enchiladas are, and it'll allow you to come in and modify those to what has already been done. So we can say, okay, well, they decided now they don't want to have cheese. So we're going to go ahead and take that cheese off and go next. So you'll see that that cheese has now come off. So you can modify and everything else. You can also take it and save that under a table or a name or a chair or whatever else. And then you'll see up here in the right hand corner, that drop down will ask you to say, what's open. So anything that's open or has an open associated order to it, or a table has people sitting at, you can just click it. You can add to it. You can go ahead and collect it. But that's kind of showing you how you can use your tabs on the side to look at products.